My name is Jana Hoagland, and I'm the Director of Community Engagement here at GRCS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the various portals we have available via our website. So whether you are a parent, student, or staff member, there is a login option here for you. So you can click on one of these, or the other option is to go to grcs.org/login. And that will bring you to this login landing page. There are some written instructions here, which we'll touch back on in just a minute. But what you'll do first is click on this forgot username or password link. You'll then be prompted to put in your email address, which will send you an email with your login information and a link to reset your password. Now, while we wait for that email to come through, we're just going to look up here a second, and I want to point out that it's very important that whatever email address you use here, so the one you use to have that password reset link, is the same email address that you use in your parent view, student view account. So if you don't receive an email with that login information and password reset link, that may mean that either you used a different email on your parent view account, or you haven't set that account up yet. The email address is how these two are linked from the parent view account through the website, so those have to be the same email address. So again, if you don't receive that email, it may mean one of those two things has happened, and I'd be happy to help you set up that parent view account or make sure that you have the right email address associated with it. So again, either way, I'd be happy to assist you. If you need assistance, my contact information is right here, so go ahead and send me an email or give me a call. Again, I'd be happy to help you out with that. So now our email should have come through. So here it is, and it gives you your username. Now this should be the same username that is for your parent view account. That does come through, the passwords don't, and that's why we have to create this new one. So you can either click this link or copy and paste it right into the browser there, and it'll bring you to another landing page where you can reset your account. So go ahead and enter your username and then put in your password. Now this can be the same password that you use for your parent view login or a different one. The passwords don't sync with each other, so just because you use a different one here doesn't mean it'll change your parent view account. They are separate as far as the passwords go. So whatever you feel most comfortable with using, go ahead and do. So it says you've successfully updated our password, so now we can go ahead and log into the site using that password we just created. All right. So once we have logged in and created that password and all of that, it'll bring you back to the site here or one of these parent, student, faculty portal landing pages. Up here in the left-hand corner should be your name and this little avatar here. If for whatever reason you need to change your password, you can come up here to profile and then account, put in your current password and then the new password if you want to change that. So now that you're logged in, again, you can access the various resources available through our portal. So you can click on whichever role you are here and what you're logged in as. There you'll be able to access parent and student directories as well as other forms and items that are hidden behind that portal. If you have any additional questions about how to access things or how to log in, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help you with that. So hope this has been helpful for you, and let me know if you have questions. Thanks.